Todd, the Dirt Man, and welcome back to another Let's Get Dirty with the Dirt Man. Today we're going to do a dirty short video. This is called Dirty Asparagus over here. Asparagus is really that good. So now we're actually doing a vegan recipe. How about that, a vegan recipe? And we're going to be doing asparagus. We're going to be doing the salty sailor, a Texas style barbecue rub, and a little bit of olive oil. Any one of the dirts would work perfectly well with this one, especially the original dirt. But oh my gosh, this on this is shockingly, amazingly fabulous. Wait till you try it. All right, now we got the asparagus. We're gonna just drizzle some olive oil all over the asparagus. Mix that up, making sure it's good and coated really well. Oh yeah, ready. Now the Dirt Man, I will tell you, I am not the biggest asparagus fan at all, but I will tell you this, with the salty sailor, I will eat every piece of this by hand like candy. So now we're gonna sprinkle it on. And you got the beautiful kosher salt and sea salt, the black pepper. Mix this up, flip it over a little bit, make sure every piece gets it really well. All right, look how pretty this looks on a plate. You could actually serve it like this in a fancy restaurant. It looks so pretty. So here we go. We're gonna take this out to the grill. You could do this in the oven. You could also saute it, but it's really simple, and let's go outside. All right, now we're outside. We're gonna open up the grill. It's good and hot. We're gonna put this beautiful dirty asparagus with the salty sailor on top. Let's do our best to try not to lose any. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Dirty asparagus on the grill. Close it up, let's check it out in about 5 minutes. All right, let's pull these off. Oh yeah, look how pretty that is. Come in here and look at that. Oh yeah. They are beautiful. Let's pull these off. Oh, they're nice and soft and tender. As you can see, the dainty technique of the Dirt Man pulling things off in the grill. There you go. Look at that. All right, we're back inside. Let's try them. Dirty asparagus. Mmm. 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 Oh wow. No dirty. Man, it tastes so good. The flavor coming from there. Mmm. Dirty grilled asparagus, especially with the salty sailor, is a winner. I'm telling you, an absolute winner. Put this on the side of a steak or chicken or pork chop or roast beef, and you're gonna be really happy. Your family's gonna be happy, and your friends when you serve it to them. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Very beautiful, very simple, easy, and remember, it's always a good time to get dirty.